Today, I'm so excited to share to you how I managed to color my hair for $3.25. And I do it every 45 days. I have a lot of gray hair, and I try to really extend my hair coloring because it's not also good for our hair. You know, it dries the hair so much. Some people, they don't color their hair, and that's good too, but for me, I do love to color my hair. And Jaran, here's the product. It's Revlon, and my color is medium golden brown, and this is how it looks. So tip number one is it's better if you continue the color that you used before, so it's not drastic. And then I only color the roots. Guys, I want to share also the other materials that you're going to be needing. You need a comb, a cape or an old towel, and also a scissor to cut the bottle open. So let's get started. To open, they have this. This is the developer, and then this is our medium golden brown color, and they have a very good conditioner. This is the instruction. It comes with gloves, so it is super. If it's your first time to use the product, you know, you have to test for if you might be allergic to the product. All right, so there, I just pour the whole content over here, you know, and then open our window. And if it's just me, then I would turn on the exhaust. Use a cape like that, and cape, or if you don't have this kind of cape, don't worry, use an old towel and then just put it. And then save your towel, because every time you're going to color your hair, you already have a towel. Put our gloves back on. And this is the bottle, and then you just cut to have that open, and then make sure that you give it a good mix. And so this is the, I usually start here, you know, just on the roots, there. And then I just touch it on the other side. There you go. And then with your comb, expose the gray area, and you just repeat the process. Again, do the same thing. Sometimes you don't have anybody to help us color the hair, but if we do have, you know what, a great idea for them to help us. You can do it by yourself too. That's how I've colored my hair all this time. Another layer. When I first started coloring my hair, I was really messy. A lot of the coloring materials ends up on the floor or on the cabinets, and so that's not good, but I got very good at it. This probably takes me maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Once you do it often enough, you actually get faster. When I was in the Philippines, I have completed the beauty school where I learned how to cut hair, color my hair. This one is already prepared, and I opened my own salon in the Philippines. Our products that we use in the Philippines are called Wella, Wella, and it comes in a little tube, and then of different colors, and there is a separate developer. And then we mix both the color, the developer. Then I normally add some more the front. And then comb it. Make sure everything is well covered. Okay. So the same thing, you know. Another layer. And finally, right, it's all set. Okay. And sometimes there's like less than 1/3, you know, so I just put it. The sound, I just put it at the back. This is how it looks like once you're done, and then this is how it looks like at the back. Cover it and let it sit for 30 minutes. So if you have a shower cup, that's better, but I don't have, so I just use a Walmart bag. You can use that too. Hey guys, it's been 30 minutes, and so we're going to remove, we're going to wash our hair. Okay, that's how it looks like. Okay. Shampoo. And so this is the final product, guys, and as you can see, it did cover all the gray in my hair, and I really like it. Revlon has different colors that you can choose from. There you have it, 5 simple steps to color your hair at home, and I linked all the products that I use in the description below. Go ahead and check it out. And if you found any values in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you could see more of my beauty videos that are coming up. And again, thank you for spending time with me. Keep on thriving.